Okay, eighth grade. So once you have finished drawing and sharpieing your koi, your next step is to grab a Crayola colored black colored pencil, and you are going to be doing a value scale going around the edge of the fish. Now, if you remember, a value scale is when you go dark to light gradually. So what I'm doing right now is getting the edge of the fish real nice and dark, and then I'm fading my pressure out as I go up towards the middle of the fish like this. I'm going to do that all the way around the fish. Edge dark, gradually get lighter, so you need a light touch with your colored pencil. You're building this shade gradually, not pressing hard except for at the edge. I'm going to go around the original shape that we traced, just like this. And then I'm going to choose a color of Prismacolor. In this case, I've chosen orange. And you can do the same exact thing right over the black. Press hard at the edge, build your value towards the middle of the shape, dark to light. And what we're doing here is we're creating a shade of the color. In other words, a shade is when you mix a color with black. You already learned about tints. Tints are colors plus white. And now shades are a color plus black. And what this is doing is it's giving our koi fish a nice round look to it. But essentially you are doing the exact same thing you did with the black colored pencil, except you're doing it with a color. Like so. Once you have finished that step, okay, you're going to take that same color and you're going to press hard and fill in the koi fish's spots too. Nice solid color, none of the white paper showing through it. And that is how you do the koi fish's body. Now, you do have one more option that you can go back to your skinny Sharpie with. If you would like to add some black accent blobs to the colored ones you made already, like so, you may do that. It is not required, it is optional, but some people like the way this looks. And again, this is not required, but it does make it a little more interesting. And as for your color ideas, feel free to look at the pictures I've put in your Google Classroom of examples of colorations of koi fish. Remember, these people who breed these fish, they consider themselves artists because they use different genetic makeups in their fish breeding to create different patterns and colors of the koi fish. So there is one finished koi. And if your eyeballs of your koi fish kind of disappear because of your shading, you can always use your Sharpie to bring them back. You're going to do that for all of your different fish. You can choose to use the same color for all of them, or you can do different colors. That is up to you, but one color per fish.